Hello, my dear friends. Good morning once again. My dear friends, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हम 12th अकाउंटेंसी पर काम कर रहे हैं. We are making the videos on 12th code accountancy, elements of accountancy. Or today's topic is part 1, chapter 2. Yes, सही सुना बेटा. पार्ट 1 में हमने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से उसका इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, साथ में बोर्ड के बहुत सारे प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन हमने सोल्व किए हैं और उसका रिस्पॉन्स भी बहुत ही अच्छा आया है. नाउ इसी सीरीज को आगे बढ़ाते हुए पार्ट 1 में वी आर गोइंग फॉर द सेकंड चैप्टर. उस चैप्टर का नाम है फाइनल अकाउंट्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है पार्ट 1 में, क्योंकि इसी 1 चैप्टर में से देयर आर 11 मार्क्स. यस, यू हैव हार्ड करेक्ट. दैट इज द 10 प्लस 1 9 प्लस 2 मार्क्स. एक ही चैप्टर में से 11 मार्क बोर्ड में पूछे जाते हैं. सेक्शन एफ में एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, दैट इज द फाइनल अकाउंट्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म्स. वो पूरे 11 मार्क्स का सम होगा, तो उसको बहुत ही सीरियसली लेंगे हम. बिल्कुल ही बारीकी से हम समझेंगे. वी विल अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट from the, we can say, bottom to the top. We won't take it lightly. We will give our 100% to understand with the aim so that we can get full marks in section F, this 11 marks full. So are you ready? Yes, ho jao tayar mere sath. Now we'll understand that how we will make a planning to crack this question of 11 marks. My dear ones, this is already I told you that is the carry 11 marks chapter. So part 1 की अगर बात करें तो that is the highest marks from the 1 chapter. We can say only a single sum. Now this is related to the partner's final account. As we know, जैसे हम जानते हैं already, we know that is the final accounts of the sole proprietorship. What we are making in that, please recall. Yes, you are correct. Trading account, very good. Profit and loss account, very good. And balance sheet, 100% right. But now we are one step ahead. Now we are in 12th standard. So we have to make one more account here. Which account we have to make if we talk about the final accounts of a partnership? If we have been asked that prepare, and that will come only, and that is coming. Okay. So we have been asked, suppose that is the prepare the final accounts of partnership firm. So which accounts we have to make? So we have to make trading account, we have to make profit and loss account, and one additional account we have to make here, that is the profit and loss appropriation account. Again, I will revise you the additional account, the extra account in 12th standard. In this final account of partnership firm, we have to make one extra account, that is nothing but the profit and loss appropriation account. That's that. Now all these accounts, mind well, these trading account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account are made for the year ending on the date. Sorry, ending on the date. For the year ending on the date, understand here, ending on the date means particular date की हम बात कर रहे हैं. So that's why we are giving the heading, that is for the year ending on this. Say for example, in India, our income tax, that is the year ends on the March. So 31st March 2004, 31st March 2025, 31st March 2026. Like that, here we are writing the particular date. Again, keep in mind while you give the heading. If you are the ranker student, if you are the scholar students, please take care of each and every minute details. So all these are accounts, but now we have to make one other thing. Generally students are telling that we have to make one more account, that is the balance sheet. No, balance sheet is not an account at all. My dear students, keep in mind, लिख के रख दीजिए, balance sheet is not an account. Then what is the balance sheet? What is the balance sheet? Can you tell? I will count 3. 1. Type in the comment box. I will be waiting for your answer. Balance sheet is not an account, but it is a statement. Here also don't make mistake. Now little bit how a light we can say on the profit and loss appropriation account. So what is that? Because when you in the 12th standard, you might be thinking such which type of account it is. So don't worry. I am explaining that. So profit and loss appropriation account is a part. Again I am telling part of profit and loss account itself. It is not totally extraordinary account. It is a part of the profit and loss account. And it is show the distribution of profit and loss among the partners. Means profit is there, that is to be appropriate, that is to be distributed. Among whom? Either the profit or the loss. Among whom? You and me? No, but the partners. Again you will say, sir, who are the partners? Arey my dear ones, how many times we have told you that the partners, maybe if 2 partners are there, then Ram and Shyam. Oh, 3 partners are there. In that case, we can say 3 partners means Ram, Shyam and Ghanshyam. So, profit and loss appropriation account is nothing but shows the distribution of either profit or the loss among the partners. Then it is, we can say, prepared only after profit and loss account is prepared. We can't make early from the profit and loss account. First we have to make profit and loss account, and from that we have to make the profit and loss appropriation account. Reason is that whatever profit is to be derived or loss is to be derived from the profit and loss account is to be carried to the profit and loss appropriation account. Now the next question is it compulsory to make the profit and loss account separately? No, it is not compulsory to make profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account separately. Thank you. Now take care. This is the very important chapter. Again carries 11 marks weightage. In the next lecture, I will give you more detail about it. One by one step, we will go ahead and solve the sums, the questions from the textbook, as well as especially that is the previous year's board question with deep explanation, with the basic explanation, with more clarity. Thank you. Have a good day.